Yeah. For which interview are you appearing, please?
I'm preparing for the Federal Bank interview, sir.
Very good. Which date is your interview? What is the venue spot?
November 2nd, sir.
Which spot?
In the 3:30 slot, sir.
No. Chennai.
No, sir, Coimbatore, sir.
What is your name?
Naveen Kumaran, sir, from Koilpatti.
Acha. Naveen Kumaran from Kovilpatti, that mithai, kadalai mithai.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Naveen Kumar, what is your degree?
My degree is BTech Triple E, sir. I'm majoring in the electrical electronics engineering, sir.
Very good. So good. Triple E. Again, as usual, they will ask this question. Why after engineering year you manage that question? No problem. Tell us about your family.
Well, my family consists of 4 members, sir. My father is a driver, sir. He's acting as a acting driver. He usually works at 4 or 5 times a month. My mother is a housewife, sir, and I have one younger sibling. He is currently pursuing his bachelor degree from Anna University, sir. He's majoring in electrical and communication engineering.
Mhm. Good. Now, what banks are doing?
I don't understand, sir. What banks?
No, what banks are doing? What are the functions of banks?
Okay, sir. Banks are the intermediaries that act between the borrowers and the lenders. They get the deposit from the people who have a lot of money and give them a certain interest and lend that money to the people who are in need as the term of loans for a higher interest. And that is where they get their net interest income as their profits. And banks also act as a investment banking and financial advisories. They also invest that funds to shares and markets to get the profits. Most
Okay,
important function of the bank. What's
what are the different deposits in banks?
the bank has the two major deposits, fixed deposit and recurring deposit, sir. In fixed deposit, where you invest a lump sum of money and you are per certain amount of interest in that maturity period. In the recurring deposit, you pay the money in an installment like for the certain period of time and you earn the interest in the maturity period, sir.
Why are you telling only two deposits? There are other two famous deposits. Why are you not mentioning about it?
Uh,
Are you not aware of savings bank and current account deposits with banks? Why
So
did
there,
you
I
not?
thought there are the savings account holdings. I thought for a lump sum account
No, I
deposit type.
did. Did I tell you lump sum amount?
No, sir, no, sir. I thought there are the savings account. These are the term deposits. In that time, I thought I was calculating. So for the savings account, you will install that money in a payment and you get a debit card or you can withdraw the cash at any time without any penalty. Or fixed deposit, if you deposit, withdraw the money in time between the maturity period, you get a penalty amount.
I never wanted details of fixed deposit, details of RD. I wanted to know what are the deposits. Your answer must have been savings bank, current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit.
I'm sorry, sir, I
Follow?
got confused between the terms.
Then what is a demat account?
A demat account is a digitalized account where you use it to buy the shares and stocks from the share market. You install that money and you buy the shares and if you want to sell, you use the demat account. So,
What is CASA?
cause of the current accounts and savings accounts.
What is SEBI?
SEBI is the Securities and Exchange Board of India, which regulates the stocks and securities of the Indian markets. So,
Then are you willing to relocate to other states?
yes, sir, completely willing, sir. And I also know that the languages of Tamil, English, and Telugu, sir. So I have a broad expansion among the Indian states.
How CASA is beneficial to banks than fixed deposit?
Or in current accounts, you don't have to pay any interest for that customer, sir. And also you can charge some additional serving fees for that. And in savings account, you only going to pay for the very low interest rate. For example, in federal bank, you're only going to pay for the 3.45% as an
Huh?
interest.
What?
For in a federal bank, you're only going to pay for 3.45% as interest for that amount less than 5 lakhs, sir, for a deposit.
Totally wrong. Totally wrong. 3.05. You have not understood the thing they have given in Federal Bank. They have
No,
given.
recently check that
No,
account, sir.
listen. Listen. What they have given is, in the case of savings bank account, our interest rate is 3.45% less than a repo rate. That is 3.05. Repo rate is 0.50. They have given in the website the interest rate is 3.45% less than repo rate, and now it will work out to 3.05. Do you follow?
Okay, sir, I understand, sir.
Yeah, above 5
It's
lakhs,
a
it
good
is
thing I
3.
record my mistakes, sir, or else I'm going to say the same mistake in federal bank interviews.
Yeah, for above 5 lakhs, it is 3.10.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So very no problem. People do commit mistakes.
Now, thank God I committed the mistake here, sir. If I committed the mistake in federal bank,
Mm.
it's going to cost me a job.
Now, who is your role model other than your close relatives?
My role model is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, sir.
Good. Why?
Because he is born in a very normal fisherman family, but he got to achieve that lot of dreams that a normal person can't even imagine of thinking. He is the role model for a lot of Indian youngsters. He made India, he took the India to the next level. Like even the foreign countries were were wondered about how an Indian can do this much of activities. He is the stepping stone for the Indians.
Very
To
good.
reach the space and activities in this era.
Now, supposing you are given an option to work in rural area or metropolitan area, which one would you choose and why?
I would choose whatever the bank is suggesting me, sir. But if I given the chances, I would choose the metropolitan area, sir. Because in a metropolitan area, you get to work with a lot of services. You get to meet a lot of people, so you get to learn a lot of experiences. You can work with the major senior officers, and you can directly work with regional manager and zonal managers, or even some deputy vice presidents too. So you can gather a lot of experience in the short amount of time. With that experience, later you can go to the rural bank and you can use your experience to develop the bank. So
Good. Supposing you are given an option to choose marketing job or desk job, which job will you choose and why?
I would gladly choose the desk job also too. So because of the desk job, you can work with customers from the location. You can serve the customer in as a customer service. So you can explain the products and you can also gather a lot of profit from the position too. So,
So
but if I'm given
supposing
a
supposing you are given target for achieving 30 deposit accounts within 1 month, how will you go about canvassing of these accounts?
well, to canvassing the account, first I would gather the information about the customers from the regional customers, and I would give a telephone calls from one-on-one. So I try to convince them about the products that we are offering and the services they are offering for federal bank, and will convince them to open a deposit account in our branch. And if I need to work with a marketing team, and I go to from a certain location and I conduct a campaign to attract the customers, and I will also reach some certain offices and industries to convince the people to open the accounts.
Can you manage a question like selling water bottle, selling pen and all
Yes, sir,
that?
I can completely manage. So,
Acha, good. Very good. That's okay. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now?
well, in 5 years, I'm trying to attain the position of branch manager or at least an assistant manager in the federal bank. So that is my dream.
Good. What is UPI? What for is it used?
UPI is a unified payment interface. So it is used to transfer the money from one account to another account without any hacking. So
Good. Hmm. What is inflation?
inflation is where the product of the prices and services got increased so that people won't have that enough money to buy the goods and services. So
What are your hobbies?
my hobbies are in free time. I used to do jogging and listen to music and songs. So
Which songs do you listen?
I currently am in that interested in that foreign songs like English and the pop songs. And if I listen to the music, I listen to the two cellos, cello music. So
Very good. Right. What are the places you have visited other than Tamil Nadu.
Other than Tamil Nadu, I have visited Cochin and Thiruvananthapuram in my school 2 days, sir, and I have also visited Bangalore to visit my brothers. Other than that, I haven't gone to any other places. Sir.
Very good. India has got how many states?
India has totally 28 states and 8 union territories. Sir.
So where did the bomb blast take place 2 days back?
It happened in Kerala. I don't remember. I think it happened in the Thiruvananthapuram district, sir.
No. Kerala, somewhere in Kalamassery, near Cochin.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Where did the train accident take place in Andhra Pradesh? I don't know really, but let me check up.
Too, sir.
Yeah, some accident took place in Andhra Pradesh
Recently,
recently.
that Coromandalam Express got crashed like 2 or 3 months before. Sir.
That was long back, but this has happened today on 29th. Incident, yeah, Visakhapatnam Palasa Express service train stopped in the Vizianagaram district of Andhra Pradesh, India due to a break in overhead cable. It was then hit by an oncoming passenger train traveling from Visakhapatnam to Rayagada. So that means the accident has taken place in Vijayanagaram in Andhra Pradesh. Who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
Jagan Mohan Reddy, sir.
It seems in that accident, nearly 14 people died and 51 people have been injured. Please get to know about current affairs, read current affairs every day. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
From today onwards, you must read current affairs. You must know what is the share price of Federal Bank.
It's currently 140.6 rupees, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. Today you have done well. You should do still better.